Have you ever eaten a watermelon which is this size? Of course not. It does not exist. What I meant was cucamelon. Cucamelon looks exactly like watermelon, but the size is like a big grape. It tastes like cucumber and it has slightly tangy flavor. Hi, this is Ruchi and let's plant some cucamelon seeds today. It is also known as mouse melon, maybe because of the size, and Mexican sour gherkin. So I just got my cucamelon seeds and I want to sow them. The best time to sow these seeds is spring. The seeds are really tiny. They are much smaller than the normal cucumber seeds. So in this seedling planter, I have general purpose potting soil mix. I'm just going to put one seed in each pod. Oh, perfect. And then just cover it lightly with soil. I'm going to mist it. The bottom soil is already moist. I'm going to mist it and then I'm going to keep it indoors for a few days and let's see. It's been about a week and all our seeds have germinated. So really good to see seedlings. And now I have slowly moved them outside so they get morning sun. Otherwise they'll become leggy inside. The cucamelon seedlings are growing well. They get about 5-6 hours of sun in the morning and then shade. So it's been about 4 weeks that we planted the cucamelon seeds and the seedlings have been growing and now I see the true leaves appearing. The first 2 leaves are the seed leaves, but then the next set of leaves are the true leaves, which is what they will have going on. Although they are not that big, I don't see them growing as much, so I want to transplant them. So maybe, when they get more space, they will grow better. So in this planter, I have general purpose potting soil mix and I'm going to just plant these. I'm going to just take out each plant. So I'll just plant all the 6 pods in here. I'll try not to disturb them at all. By the way, cucamelons have many different names. For example, mouse melon, Mexican miniature watermelon, Mexican sour gherkin, and Mexican sour cucumber. And the scientific name is Melothria scabra. Before transplantation, you want to make sure that your seedlings are at least 2 inches tall. They have true leaves. You want to make sure that you do it towards the evening so that the harsh sun doesn't hit them immediately, and you want to acclimatize your plant. So as I said, these seedlings have true leaves and it's almost evening. The sun is going down, so they are not going to be hit by harsh sun, and I left them here in this container for a couple of days so they are acclimatized. Now I'm going to water them and then we'll see. It's been a few weeks and cucamelon plants have been growing well. I can see now they have tendrils because these are vines, so they will use the tendrils to hang on to trellis or something else. In about 4 weeks after transplant, the plants have become really big. So I'm going to stop this video right now and show you the updates in my next video. But if you have a chance and if you have the cucamelon seeds, try them this spring and summer, and I'm sure you'll not be disappointed. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.